Welcome to my channel, Better Health and Food Ideas. Getting support when changing your eating habits. Not say negative things about you or what you eat. Be positive about your desire to change. Let your family and friends know that you'd like to hear encouraging words from time to time, and that their words and actions mean a lot. Hearing how well you are doing with your new eating habits helps you stay with your plan. Celebrate with you when you reach your goals. Take a cooking class or go to the movies together. Remind yourself and others that you're successful. Ask them to encourage you to eat more fruits and vegetables, for example. Encourage you when you slip away from your eating plan. Help you make healthy food choices. A reminder of how well you've done will help you get back on track. Respect your new eating habits and not urge you to eat foods that you don't want to eat. Keep to a regular family meal schedule. Families that regularly eat meals together tend to eat healthier foods and be closer to a healthy weight than those who don't. You may be able to talk with your family about making some of the same eating changes you are. This may take compromise on everyone's part. If what you eat is different from what your family eats, ask them to eat a meal from your food plan once a week. Make one room food-free. It may mean eating less of some foods and more of others. If they see that this is as tasty as the food they're eating, they may choose to eat more of what you're eating. Set up no food zones in the house. You can use this room to do things that you may have done in the kitchen while eating, such as paying bills or helping the kids with homework. Staying out of the kitchen may help you stay with your eating plan. Put away foods that you don't want to eat so that they are out of sight. Ask family members not to leave food on the table when they are finished eating. Set up a kitchen or refrigerator shelf that is just for healthy foods that you want to eat. Discuss your family routines. When you're hungry, you'll have several healthy choices. If you take the kids out for pizza once a week, could you make a healthier pizza at home instead? You could go out to eat but order a salad and other healthy foods with the pizza. This way you can fill up on other foods and eat fewer slices of pizza. See if you can find something you can all agree on. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and like the video.